I want to talk to you about those ETF flows right there. So this week in particular, investors, they seem to be going to safety. Again, the GLD ETF that tracks, the moves of gold, obviously,
Sure.
and also short-term bonds with the SGOV. What do you make of that?
I think people are trying to see what's going to happen here with the Trump administration, and we got tariff threats all over the place. You come off a year like 2024 on the back of 2023. Maybe we hang out and see what's going on here before going all in. But it is a flight to safety. Is there some concern out there?
So when you're talking to your clients right now, is that what they're talking to you about? Some of the volatility in the market, some of the questions about tariffs, are they also looking for moves to safety? And do you think that's the best way to play it with gold and bonds?
Sure. So I think it's usually our job to let them know what's going on here, right? So we tell them, look, we have a year where we're probably going to expect more volatility. How does that actually translate into our portfolio? Depends on their goals, of course. Long-term investors probably aren't going to be too worried and take their foot off the pedal with equities just because there is some concern out there around tariffs. So long-term investors staying the course. Short-term, we still have decent yield. There's still an opportunity in bonds. We'll see what's going on there. So a little more safety to your portfolio might not be a bad idea. But again, what's the goal?
I want to move on to some other parts of the market. When you say bonds, are you also in favor of short-term bonds? Is that where you're seeing the opportunity, or is it the belly that a lot of people were saying?
Yeah, I'm still in the intermediate term space here because I think there's still opportunity for upside potential. I like the yield.
So in this market right now, is this a buy-the-dip market? I mean, a lot of people are talking about Palantir. Palantir under quite a bit of pressure. And I've seen a number of analysts and other people saying you should buy the dip on this stock. This is an opportunity. That's a move that's definitely worked out over the last year or so.
Yeah.
Actually, the last 2 years, if we're really going to be looking at the moves in the market. But is that the right play right now in your mind? Is this a buy-the-dip market, or is this a wait-and-see market?
You don't even need to go back a year or 2 years to see that opportunity present itself with the deep dip in AI. So if you scooped up NVIDIA at $120 and you're back at 140 now, can you do that with Palantir? And there's a lot of people who are going to say that, yeah, hey, you got a nice steep discount on a stock you might want to own long-term if you believe in that story. Then here's an opportunity to get in on an over 10% dip in that stock.
All right, so we're talking about earnings. We're talking about a lot of things going on in the market this earnings season. Our Bob Pisani says earnings revisions to the downside have kind of accelerated. Coming up next week, we got a big one. We got NVIDIA earnings. Are your clients talking to you about positioning ahead of that? Are there moves that you would actually suggest people, whether you're short-term, long-term, do ahead of this report that could really be a market mover?
Yeah, the whole weight of the market rests on the shoulders of NVIDIA, right? Everyone looks for that earnings report. However, you can get that very right or you can get that very wrong if you make a move before we see that report. And you don't have to go back too far again to see that, hey, this thing can really jump or it can really retreat depending on what that report is. So you got a guessing game. You might be,
but you're
playing with
a bit. Just,
no, you're playing with fire.
Do you make moves ahead of it, or do you
no,
wait?
do not. I think you're playing with fire.